Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive, and today we're going to take a look at a 2017 BMW X5. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. You also have front parking sensors. Those are going to keep you nice and safe in those close quarter parking lot situations. A look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Pirelli Scorpion tires. Taking a look at the tread on those tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are of course very comfortable, no rips or stains on the seats either, very clean. Panoramic moonroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have rear backup sensors and a camera on the back. We're going to take a look inside of the hatch now. There are splits on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Power assist lift gate, so it's simply the press of that button. Hatch folds itself down just like that. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls mounted here. Full touchscreen, that includes your stereo. Your navigation integrated there as well. Dual climate control as well as dual heated and cooled seats, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this BMW on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.